Go 23, 24, Topps Finest Buckets, 5-box half case, break it a light, number 3. One, two, three left, 4, 5, 6 right. One, two, three left, 4 again. We're going to go 4, 5, 6 right. Right side, left side pushed to the back there for round number 4. Should be able to drop a filler on it tonight. 2, 3, 4, 5-box half case, break it a light. All right, boys and girls, let's do it. Let's do it. Austin Reeves refractor. Pete Nance for the Cavs, 10 out of 75 blue, 10 spot, 0 spot. Christian Laettner for the Atlanta Hawks to 99. Chet for the Thunder, purple to 75. Van Fleet for the Rockets to 150. Houston Rockets, 67 out of 150, 7 spot blue. Donovan Mitchell for the Cavs. Cavs in the serial, 142 out of 150 blue, showstoppers, 2 spot. Anthony Black for the Magic. Magic also in the serial, arrivals die cut, 53 out of 74. Yeah, 53 out of 74, 3 spot. Nick Smith Jr. Masters rookie autograph, black refractor to 25 for the Hornets. Ben Shepard for the Pacers, blue auto to 99, rookie auto, Pacers going out to Josh M. And a Nick Smith Jr. rookie, 3 out of 3. Is that our lowest numbered card we've hit so far out of Finest? 3 out of 3. Nick Smith Jr. John B. with the Hornets. Clowney, rookie refractor for the Nets. 88 for the 8. Keontae Johnson, rookie die cut to 35 for the Thunder. Oh, I thought that was messed up. I was like, oh my gosh, it's all messed up, but it was die cut. Joker die cut for the Nuggets. Nuggets going out to Zach's fan. This one's numbered to 74. Wiggins, Warriors to 99 blue. Middleton for the Bucks to 75 purple. Podziemski for the Warriors, debut rookie die cut to 74. Dirk, I love that. Dallas Mavericks, who got him? Roy P. 22 out of 25. Showstoppers, black refractor. Jordan Poole for the Wizards. John B. Blue auto to 99. Almost jersey, 14 out of 99. Prosper for the Dallas Mavericks, number /99 blue rookie autograph. And a gold Taylor Hendricks /50 gold rookie Utah Jazz. More orders keep coming through for Finest Basketball. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pat Williams for the Bulls, refractor. Ginobili for the Spurs, 4/74 die cut, 4-spot in a serial, Roy P. Prosper for Dallas, rookie blue /75. Quickly /125. Toronto purple. Christian Braun Nuggets blue /150. Gold Trae Young Showstoppers gold /50. Atlanta Hawks. Strother /125 purple. Hardaway, 35/50 gold for the Magic. Magic in the serial, 35/50. That 5-spot, Roy P. Anthony Hardaway, Masters gold auto, like that. Behind this, ooh, 9/10. How about a Dylan Brooks? Boo. Houston Rockets, I believe. Houston Rockets, 9/10. Jersey number 9-spot. Dylan Brooks with the black Sharpie auto. Boo. Jalen Wilson for the Nets, gold rookie. Nets in the serial, 9/50 for the 9-spot. That was 3 boxes down, 2 more to go. Topps Finest. Awful. Jordan Clarkson, refractor. Conley, gold /25 for the Minnesota T-Wolves. Middleton, Bucks /75. Turner for the Pacers, purple /125. Herder, blue for the Kings, 135/150. 135 for the 5-spot. Ben Shepherd, Pacers, purple debut /125. Wemby, a Rivals rookie, blue, 52/150, the 2-spot, John M. 52/150, Wemby, a Rivals. Keontae Johnson /10, 1/10, rookie auto, Thunder. Jerry West, baby. Oh my God. 40 out of 50 gold Jerry West. Finest flashback autograph for the Lake Show. Let's go, Lee G.
I love gold.
40 out of 50 Jerry West. And a 15 out of 15 Hardaway for the Magic. 15 out of 15. Jersey kind of threw me off there for a second. Magic in the serial 5 spot. Roy P. Hardaway. Jerry West gold auto. That's freaking awesome. Sexton refractor for the Jazz. LaMelo to 99 purple Hornets. Stojakovic for the Kings 3 out of 50 gold 3 spot. Julian Phillips Bulls to 75 blue. Franz Wagner 6 out of 99 blue for the Magic 6 spot. Walker Pacers debut purple to 125. Chris Murray Portland to 150 rookie arrivals. Tony Parker, 7 out of 10 for the Spurs, the 7 spot. John B. He's going to like that one. Red and black auto, 7 out of 10. Finest flashbacks. Tony Parker. Very cool. Behind that, we have a Levert for the Cavs. 22 out of 99. Cavs, blue refractor auto, 2 spot. And we're going to end it with an Alex English Nuggets to 50 gold. Half case number 3, second half number 4 filler coming up. Got some cool veteran autos there. One numbered non-autograph rookie. Wemby. 23-24 Topps Finest Basketball. Half case. Break it a light number 3. We're going to be dropping a filler on half case. Break it a light number 4. Here in a few. We got to plug in these orders. Bunch of orders coming through. More Finest Basketball. More autographed jerseys. More Finest Basketball. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's keep it rolling here. Yeah, this is way better than Cosmic Chrome. question. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.